Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick packing video for my trip where I spent 10 days in Sweden. So go ahead, hit that like button if you like to see more packing videos from me, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you can see all my travel related content. So here on my bed I have laid out everything that I'm going to be taking to wear for my trip to Sweden, and I apologize for the weird shadow even with my extra lighting, I can't seem to get it to go away. So anyways, I have all my clothes laid out of what I am going to be taking with me, and I have leggings and a shirt all packed. I have two different tank tops and shorts to sleep in, and then I've got right here is going to be my hair towel and my black pillowcase I always travel with because my pink hair does tend to bleed a little bit and I don't want to stain anybody's stuff. So this is what I am taking. I have an outfit for every day, which I don't normally do, but I am for this trip. And this is all my clothing, and then right up here in this packing cube I have all my undergarments, and then the pillowcase and the towel are going to go in there as well, and then everything else should fit in here, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, so here are all the toiletries I'm taking. I've got a couple samples of some shampoo and conditioner that I bring with me just in case I want to use them instead of my bar shampoo. I have all of my hairstyling products in sample sizes that fit, not sample sizes, travel sizes, so they fit in my carry-on. I've got perfume, a body lotion, toothpaste. I always carry wrinkle release with me because I use packing cubes, so that helps. And then I've got some Febreze just because, you know, it's nice to freshen up after a while if you're wearing clothes more than once. I have some hyaluronic moisturizer serum. I've got some BB cream with SPF in it so I don't have to also take a sunscreen. And then I've got a couple makeup items, mascara, eyeliner, this is my eyeshadow primer, and I have some eye drops here, and then this is the bag. It all fits into here, and I have a video on this before, so I will link that. You can check it out. But I fit all this in here, and there's actually a little bit of room left, and those are all my liquid toiletries that I'm taking for my 10-day trip. So here's everything packed in my little clear bag for my toiletries, and as you can see, there's still room in here. I can, you know, kind of get my whole hand in there still, so there is some room. And those are all my toiletries for my liquids bag that fit in the 311 TSA rule. Okay, so here is my bag for the rest of my toiletries. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so here is the bag. I have pulled stuff out so you can see. On the side is my makeup brushes, and this little pouch is where all the stuff I pulled out goes that I'll show you. And on this side we have some makeup. I have my makeup eyeshadow palette from Urban Decay, and then a couple odds and ends, you know, blush and bronzer and that sort of thing. There's an eyeliner, brow pencil in there. My facial cleansing wipes, and I've got up here like a little sewing kit for if I need it for any reason. Tweezers, and I have these to floss if I need them. And then I also have my shampoo and conditioner bars, my body soap, razor. This is actually a compact mirror. One side is magnifying, that's nice to have. Q-tips. This little cosmetics bag is like bobby pins, ponytail holders, that sort of thing. Shout wipes. This is actually my favorite face wash. It is a powder, it's an enzyme, can't get it to focus, but it foams up with water, so I like to take that, and it's a tiny little bottle because I don't need a ton, a little goes a long way. Then I have my bug bite thing, which I have talked about before. I love that. And then this is a root powder, but it's pink, which is great because my roots are dark, so that's nice to have. And then deodorant, and that will all go into this middle section right there. Okay, and here are a couple other things I have in my carry-on bag. I have snacks. I always take snacks with me for the plane or for just walking around the city and I'm hungry. Down here I've got some vitamins and medications. I also always take a little bit of emergency just in case, you never know. Here is my flight flap, which I have another video. I'll link that as well. This is my international adapter so that I can plug things in over there. And a fan because I sleep with a fan every night, and I take this. It's a travel fan. I just fold it over like that and set it up, and it blows on me at night while I'm sleeping. Okay, so everything I showed you does fit in here. All of my clothes are in here. These are my two toiletry bags. And not everything did fit into here because I am taking, I guess, a little bulkier clothing than I normally do when I travel because it's going to be a little cooler. But the rest of it fit over here on the mesh side of this. So that worked out really nicely. And one thing I don't think I mentioned is that I am taking my Patagonia. This is going to go right in here. It actually fits very well because, you know, these compress very nicely, which is the whole reason I wanted that one. And that's going to go in there. And then all my snacks and everything are in this pouch on the outside right here. Okay, so right there you can see there's my other bag, and then right here I'm going to show you my personal item. Yes, it is a backpack, which means that when I am wearing that bag through the airport, this bag is going to be on my front. But I think it'll be worth it because this has a nice pocket for my tripod on the side, which I want to take with me so I can take some nice video while I'm in Sweden. On the front here, I have headphones. And then on the side over here, this bag has where you can plug in your power bank to inside the bag and charge your phone from your bag on the outside. So I have that. Now, let's see. In the first one here, I have gum, and that's it. That's all I have packed in there. Okay, so for my personal item, all of this stuff does fit in there. First, I have my passport, and on the other inside, when you open up, it also has room for my vaccine card and a pen, because you never know when you need that. I do have some masks I'm taking. The United States has dropped their mask mandate, and I don't believe Sweden has one either, but I'm taking them just in case, because you never know. This is a lens that is for my phone, actually. It clips right onto the phone, and it's a wide-angle lens. I don't need it for the main camera, but I do use it for my selfie camera, especially when I am trying to talk to the camera. It gives a little bit more of a better shot. I have a little sleep mask right there. It's nice because it has like the cups for your eyes, which is great. I also have some compression socks. I have some melatonin gummies to help sleep on the airplane and some earplugs. Again, snacks. I just like taking Pringles because of the hard can. They won't get crushed. My Rick Steve Stockholm book. This is all my undergarments. They didn't fit in my other bag. Well, they might. I could probably make them squeeze in there, but they also fit in my personal item. This is my camera, and I have all the batteries and my SD cards, everything in there. I have a little first aid kit with like some ibuprofen, some anti-nausea medicine, Band-Aids, that sort of thing. I have some travel silverware. It's all brand new, as you can see, so I'm going to test this out. I would like to do some maybe picnicking while I'm in Stockholm. I don't know, we'll see, but that is what that is for. I also have all my cords. I don't have all the cords in here yet because I still need my phone charger, but that is where all my cords go. I also have a tiny little tripod that is bendable. And then I have my main tripod that I am taking as well. And I also got a new phone case. I like it because it has a strap so I can wear it like a crossbody bag, and then I don't have to worry about needing a pocket or putting it away in a zipper or anything like that. And then this is my travel scarf. It's an infinity scarf. I know I've talked about it before. It also has a pocket, if I can find it. Okay, so there is a pocket in this, and it opens up, and I do have like a ponytail holder and stuff already in here, but my passport can go in there when I am going through security. That way it's quick, it's easy to access, and it's on my body. One other thing I do want to mention is that this bag has a space in the back for your laptop. I don't think I can get in there very well. Let's see. There, that's better. So it has a space for your backpack, and I am planning on taking my laptop with me, so that will go in here. I do want to point out that this main compartment on my personal item does also lock. You can see right here, which is really nice since I'm going to have my laptop in there and I can feel secure and safe putting like my passport in there. Last but not least, I have my travel pillow. I like this one because on the back it's got like a cooling gel, which is really nice. I do feel like it does help keep it cooler than most neck pillows. I hope you liked that video and it gave you some tips and helped you out a little bit. Don't forget to hit like if you want to see more of my packing videos. I have some coming up from my trip to Alaska as well as Disneyland. And stick around for more videos from Stockholm, Sweden. Have a great day.